Welcome to Housekeeping Monitor channel. In this video, I will share about discover the secrets to seamless hotel operations, engineering and housekeeping collaboration. From engineering to housekeeping. 1. Timely repairs. Providing timely reports on repairs and maintenance to housekeeping to ensure that rooms remain in good condition. 2. Damage recording system. Implementing a system for recording damage or cleanliness issues found by engineering to facilitate follow-up by housekeeping. 3. Emergency handling training. Providing training to housekeeping staff on emergency actions to be taken in situations such as water leaks or power outages. 4. Technician availability. Providing a schedule of responsive technicians to assist with emergency repairs or maintenance in guest rooms. 5. Routine communication. Holding regular meetings between the engineering and housekeeping teams to share information about maintenance, repairs, and issues encountered. 6. Monitoring system. Implementing a monitoring system to track room equipment and infrastructure in real time so that issues can be identified and addressed quickly. 7. Safety and health training. Providing training on safety and health to housekeeping staff, including preventive actions to be taken in emergency situations. 8. Design consultation. Involving housekeeping staff in design consultations for renovations or new room planning to ensure planned features and furniture can be easily accessed and clean. 9. Joint project planning. Forming joint teams between engineering and housekeeping to plan major repair projects or room renovations so that the needs and challenges of 10. Joint performance assessment. Conducting joint performance evaluations between engineering and housekeeping teams periodically to identify areas for improvement and commend collaboration successes. From housekeeping to engineering. 1. Room condition reports. Providing regular reports on room conditions to the engineering team to receive assistance in addressing cleanliness issues or repairs. 2. Equipment requests. Submitting requests for cleaning equipment or necessary repairs to the engineering team to ensure the availability of required. 3. Involvement in renovations. Involving the housekeeping team in the planning and execution of room renovation or improvement projects to ensure cleanliness needs are met. 4. Understanding of maintenance. Providing training to housekeeping staff on early signs of technical issues in guest rooms to help identify problems quickly. 5. Advanced cleanliness reporting. Providing advanced reports to engineering on the results of room cleaning after initial cleaning to ensure rooms are ready for guests. 6. Routine maintenance. Providing a schedule of routine maintenance to engineering to ensure that room equipment and infrastructure remain in good condition. 7. Stock monitoring. Providing information on cleaning equipment stocks and material needs to engineering to ensure that supplies are always sufficient. 8. Reporting problematic rooms. Reporting rooms experiencing technical issues to engineering promptly to receive prompt attention and repairs. 9. Emergency repair training. Training housekeeping staff on emergency actions to be taken in situations such as water leaks or power outages to avoid issue escalation. 10. Joint service assessment. Conducting joint assessments between engineering and housekeeping on room cleanliness and service quality to identify areas for improvement and development. With strong collaboration between engineering and housekeeping, hotels can ensure that rooms remain in the best condition and guests have a satisfying stay experience. Thank you for watching Housekeeping Monitor.